Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to do a logo and some lettering on our van with some masking tape, spray paint, and some paper. For the logo, we marked off the area we want to put the logo in with some masking tape.
Because our logo is quite complex, we're gonna outline it with masking tape. Read the instructions on the spray can so you know how to use it correctly. Let's go!
Round 2.
Last round! So this is our lettering for the back of the van, and we printed it out on adhesive paper. So now I'll use a carpet knife to cut out all of the letters.
all the dirt and grime with the microfiber cloth.
Stick the paper on the van.
Now to the fun part.
On to the second layer. And the last round. We're finished. We hope our Instagram handle on the side of the van makes it easier for people to follow us. And we really like our logo. It turned out to be pretty good. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, subscribe, or follow us on Instagram at jp_adventures19. Stay tuned for more videos.